Boom! Yo, what's going on? You ever wonder what kind of applications you can find on the Fire TV Stick straight from their actual app store? Applications you can find on the Fire Stick if you don't really want to go look for yourself. So right now, as you can tell, we're just in the regular home screen. We got our Amazon Fire Stick, and easiest way to do it, we can hit under the search icon here. We can just scroll down and go into the App Store. You can always go across and try one of these, but just click on App Store, and then down here in the line we can just go all categories. And I don't know if you've been here, it's been a while since I've actually been in this area, and as you can tell, lots of categories to choose from. Let's try entertainment for today. So entertainment, obviously we're going to get movies, TV shows, live TV, things like that, what we like to watch on our Fire Stick. As you can tell, Tubi TV, Pluto, CTV Plex, Paramount, Apple TV, Free Movies, Hiya, Christmas Plus, Fosum, Free, Awesome TV and Movies. This free will always be free. Watch movies, TV shows online, 25 different genres, 10,000 plus films and TV shows. Super easy. You just click get, download, puts it into the queue, downloads it, installs it. No jailbreak needed, no need to do any kind of side loading. It's ready to go. And once it's downloaded, you can click open, or you can click the little 3-line button on your remote and launch it. So free, awesome movies, TV shows, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Start it right off. For this week, look at this, we have a weekly supply of great content. Western, horrors, action, sci-fi, romance, black cinema, thriller, LGBTQ, drama, documentary, family, war, fantasy, crime. They did say there was a lot, didn't they? New arrivals. So if you're ready for Christmas, the next Christmas movies are coming out, folks. Trending TV for November. Very good. I can't see what December has. Best 100 movies. A lot of westerns, some horrors in there. Some good old movies. Discover. So Steamy Night, Holidays, Best 100, Historical, Top Picks, Female Leads, 90 Minutes, Asian Movies, Classics. We keep going. So horror, Christmas, all the classics, action, thriller, Miracle on 34th Street. So we click on it. It says it'll begin shortly. We can push the play button on the remote, and she starts right up. And then over here on the left pull down menu, there's collections, there's TV shows, there's our latest, about, and then a search. So fairly straightforward, fairly easy to navigate through. Something new and different for everybody to take a look. This 2020s, 2010s, 2000s, 90s, 80s, 70s, 60s. How far does it go? Does it keep going? 50s, 30s, 40s, 20s. Wow, that's pretty cool. What do we got in the 20s? Oh, look at that. If you want to go back in time. Wow, very interesting. Romance, action, classic, documentaries. Guys, there is a ton of content available on this awesome for show app. Check it out, try it. Let me know what you think. All right, take it easy. Peace.